How does it going, friends? I did a little bit of shopping. Just, I think you saw what I bought. My propan butan bottle finished last camp, so you might know where I'm going now. On another adventure, and I'm ready for it. Are you ready? I just have to. Oh my god, it's boiling. We have proper summer this year in UK. It's just so warm, so warm. Maybe this is the fourth week in a row, around the fourth week in a row with perfect temperatures. Even sometimes they're a little bit too much. Oh, let me volume down a little bit. I don't want some copyright claims. Yeah. So next stop is most probably Asda. I'm gonna go and do some shopping, water, food, stuff that I will need, and we're going forward the next adventure. I hope you enjoy it. How does it going, guys? Let me make one selfie on this beautiful lake next to it. As I said earlier, it's amazing, wonderful, beautiful, sunny, warm weather in UK, and this is for fourth week in a row. So far we have proper summer, and I'm trying to hide in this little cover with tree paths next to the lake. Have a look, it's like from fairy tales. Keep going and sweating. Oh my god, it's so warm, extremely warm. I'm nearly Helvellyn, or YHA Helvellyn. It's some kind of hut, or like a, yeah, kind of hut, I think. I'm not really sure. When I'm walking on this path, brings me nice memories from one of my previous adventures with my friend Rob, when we covered around 7-8 peaks, and but the weather was extremely bad. It was extremely bad, and if you remember, I'm gonna try to find these footages. I'm gonna show it now. Hello. From Helvellyn, when the weather was very bad, very windy, and even push one guy on the ground. It was that strong wind. So have a look on the footage now. The guys are having fun. Now you can see how strong the wind is. Did you enjoy the footage? If you didn't watch the video, watch it, you'll like it for sure. Oh, so looks like Helvellyn. It's a hostel. It's not a hut, but yeah, similar. Yes, let me get used to this weather because it's extremely warm, and I'll see you on the way up. Enjoy it. A field up in the mountain full with, I don't know what is the name of this kind of flower. It's like it's very fluffy, it's amazing. They're everywhere, everywhere. And just in front of me, as you can see, or maybe you cannot recognize, it is Helvellyn and Striding Edge. Striding, is it Striding? I hope this is the correct pronunciation. And this is the other edge over there. I don't know the name of it. Oh, but I'm getting closer to one of my favorite peaks, Helvellyn. And one of the spots I have been the most while camping, and this is the lake just below Helvellyn, Red Tarn. Amazing lake, amazing spot for wild camping. It's I don't know, it's very special for me. I don't know why, I cannot explain why, I just love it. Hello baby sheep, how are you? Hop, jump, jump. This is it, my little private beach, and it's hidden from these rocks a little bit, and here it's no path. I don't know, hopefully it's not tough. So I'll have all this space for myself and all of this lake. I'm gonna swim, but first I need to set up the tent, cook something to eat, and then I will go for a little dip. I even can do skinny dip. Oh, I can even stay naked all day. I'm on my own. So anyways, let me open the tent and prepare something to eat because I'm starving, and I'll see you in a bit. Stay with So I have tuna salad with pasta. What else do I have? I have some noodles. I have some milk for my oats tomorrow. So I'm gonna put it straight into the water so it will stay cold. This is how does it looks like. I have tuna with chickpeas and some peppers, looks like it has onions, carrots. Let's give it a try. It's very nice. Now I can say good morning for third time, but this is the official good morning for me. I'm fully awake after this amazing swim. Oh my god, have a look. What else do you need? I'm gonna tell you what else do I need. I need to have my breakfast. Let me get my milk from the fridge and start preparing. And now back down. This is what it is to create videos. You leave the camera, you film yourself how you're walking because there is nobody else with you to film you. You walk, and then you stop and go back and take your camera. You go up the ladder, you stop, you enjoy the view, and you have to go back because there is not our way. Lovely morning, lovely camp, everything is amazing. I feel so recharged, so refreshed. I feel just unbelievable how my daughter is going to say like hook. That's strong, hook. So yeah, I'm keep going. back in civilization. I'm going to the corner shop, the corner shop, and let's see what do they have. Thank you. Such a lovely lady. Oh, they have nice ice cream. Let's see what else they have. Let's have a look. I need something to eat. I will need something to drink as well. So let's check it out. What do they have? Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Hello. Can I have this, and can I have one cheese and leek? Was it cheese and leek? Cheese and leek. Yes, please. It can be warm. Yes, please. And one cheese and onion. Is it foin? This one here on the left.
Yeah.
Yes, please. Breakfast time or second breakfast time? Yeah, it's second breakfast time. This is not the first time I'm sitting here in RR, the corner shop in Glen Reading. I have been almost every time when I'm coming here in this area. I'm just stopping in this shop to have a coffee, to have some amazing pastry and some pies they have. Now I'm gonna have cheese and leek roll. It's kind of sausage roll, but just with cheese and leek, meat free. And it is amazing, like always, as usual. This is the second or third time I'm taking this roll, and it's so nice. It's, if you're coming here in Glen Reading, definitely stop here and have one of the pies, cheese and onion pie and cheese and leek roll. It is amazing. He is still very shy, my little friend Robin. He just came on the table for a little bit, but he's camera shy. He don't like to be filmed. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come here. As I said, camera shy. Not like me. I'm still hungry. Even after my second breakfast, I need to have one of these. Cheese and onion pie. Look how does it looks like. And it's amazing. Always is the same amazing taste. Have a look. Looks amazing and it tastes amazing. But cheese and leek roll, I think it's better. Just slightly bit, but better. So I'm already next to Ullswater. I'll just gonna walk further down and try to find a little bit more hidden spot so I can swim. Hopefully I'll be on my own so I can do a skinny swim. I don't think it's gonna be possible here because there are a lot of people, but we'll see, you never know. Wish me luck. Air Force, my last stop for these 2 days adventures. Let's see how does it looks like. I'm sure it's not gonna be that spectacular like in the raining season, because when it's more water, it looks beautiful, isn't it? But let's have a look. Anyways, I'm here, so let's check it out. It has to be very quick because I didn't have coins to pay for the parking, so I hope I won't get in trouble. Let's go. Hoppa.
A long way down to walk down there and take a picture. Yeah, we can do it time. We can do it another day. Walk down.
Lovely place from the fairy tales. Amazing. It's so beautiful. Oh no, I'm running out of memory on this card. I didn't change it, so let me show you. And I might need to change it and film from my phone. Let's see. This is the better on the phone. I have zoom and I can show you better how does it looks like. So yeah, as I said, this is gonna be the last stop for today, and this is pretty much everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed my 2 days adventure, because I really did, and I hope I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching and take care. See you.